This is the new Brilliant Wonders LED light control from CMP. Can control lights from all the major pool light manufacturers. When you start it up first time, it'll ask you which lights you're using. You can set it from there. You just set it one time. Then it will load all the scenes and pre-programmed colors into your scene selection menu. You can set schedules, multiple schedules. Comes with a Smart Stitch, which was developed exclusively for the CMP control, which allows you to take two or more multiple pre-programmed scenes or colors and piece them together. So if it's game day and you're having a party, you can select your team's colors and have them alternate on set durations. It also comes with a pin lockout feature, so if you've got a rental property or you don't want your kids messing with it, you can lock them out. Still allows you to change the colors and scenes, but locks out of the customizable sections of the menu. It's available now at CMP, and you can order yours today.